Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Good morning. How are you today? Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Yeah, I hope everybody is fine and all right and can join. More students will be joining the class today. So dari 100 cuma 32 orang ini yang ikutin. Kemana yang lain? Okay, so guys, today I'd like to invite all students, ya, semuanya harus berpartisipasi because, ya, I will give a score for students who are active and involved. Yang terlibat aktif, ini akan ada skornya, ya, skor keterampilan, ya, keterampilan dari segi pengetahuan. So today we are going to conclude the whole tenses that we have studied. We studied kind of perfect tense, dari present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. So today it's the comparison. We will study all of them through questions. Jadi melalui questions, ya. Ada beberapa, some questions. So we will be learning those three kind of tenses through the questions. So I am inviting all students. So who can answer or who are involved, he will get score. Yang terlibat, yang aktif dan bisa yang menjawab akan saya kasih poin di sini. So make sure that you are ready and then stand by on your computer. Okay. So let me share the screen, and before we start the lesson, let's recite Al-Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, here is the topic. Okay, past, present, and future perfect tense. The learning objective to identify the social function and structure of past, present, and future perfect tense. And then the second, to analyze a sentence using the past, present, and future perfect tense. And the third, to differentiate the use of perfect tenses. Those three perfect tenses, you will be able to differentiate what are or how to distinguish or recognize each of them. And then the last, the fourth, you will be able to use kinds of perfect tense in complete sentence correctly. So those are the learning objective. Yeah, before we start, here are some summary. I'll give you a summary of the previous lesson. Nih kumpulannya atau summary-nya. Okay. Past perfect tense. How do we use past perfect tense? Gimana kita menggunakan past perfect tense? It used to express an action that began in the past and was completed in the past before something else occurred or before another action occurred. In bahasa Indonesia, ya, untuk mengekspresikan kejadian yang dimulai di masa lampau dan dia itu selesai juga di masa lampau sebelum kejadian yang lain terjadi. I hope you understand. So here is the example. The example, Paul tried to hide the vase because he had broken it. Yeah, which is the past perfect tense here? Can you find the past perfect tense here?
He had broken it, sir.
Yeah, that's right. He had broken it. Yeah. So is there any? How many actions there?
Two, sir.
There are two actions. Yeah.
Two, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Jadi yang digunakan past perfect tense which action?
He had broken it, sir.
He had broken. Yang pertama terjadi atau yang kedua terjadi?
Yang kedua.
Yang terjadi duluan atau yang selanjutnya terjadi yang kita rubah menjadi past perfect tense?
Yang duluan terjadi.
Yang duluan terjadi, that is correct, ya. Selain bahasa Indonesia, past perfect tense itu digunakan untuk mengekspresikan satu kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau sebelum kejadian yang lain terjadi juga di masa lampau, ya. Ada dua kejadian. Oke, past perfect tense. Here is the example. I hope you understand what is past perfect tense. Now present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? So how do you use that? Untuk apa itu digunakan? Ekspresinya adalah untuk mengungkapkan an action that began in the past and is now completed in the present. Yeah, it started in the past or began. The action started in the past, but it's completed now in the present. Atau satu kejadian itu terjadi mulainya itu di masa lampau, tapi masih terjadi sekarang atau baru saja selesai sekarang. Now, okay? It started in the past, but it finished now at the moment, or just finished recently. Baru-baru aja dia. An example is I have finished my homework already. I have finished my homework already. So when is finished? Kapan kira-kira dia selesainya itu?
Baru saja.
Barusan ya, sekarang. Barusan ini ya, baru dia ketika dia ngomong itu dia baru saja selesai. Kapan dia mulainya?
In the past, sir.
In the past, ya, in the pastnya itu bisa 1 hour ago, 2 hour ago, or from last night, because it's difficult task, difficult homework. Ya, bisa saja dia melaksanakannya. Okay, he tried to do that from evening, ya, and tapi baru saja selesai. That is present perfect tense. Okay, and now future perfect tense. Now, how is future perfect tense? It expresses an action that will be completed by some specific point in the future. In bahasa Indonesia, we can say, ya, to express, untuk mengungkapkan suatu kejadian yang akan sudah selesai di waktu yang ditentukan di masa yang akan datang. It's a bit complicated ya. In the future, but already finished, already completed. Ya, sebenarnya bahasa Indonesia juga ada segitu. Jam-jam segini kayaknya aku nanti udah selesai lah PR-ku. Karena targetku jam 8 tadi harus ya. Berarti ini jam 10 berarti udah selesai lah. Okay? So predicting something that we are going to do, that we will complete the action will be completed in the future in the certain time, yeah, in the time, in the specific point in the future. Okay, the example is nih, by the end of the night, Mary will have danced for 3 hours. Ya, mungkin Mary tuh joget terus ya kan ya. By the end of the night, ya, Mary will have danced for 3 hours. Or you can also talk about when your situation ya. Sekarang kan corona ini. Corona tuh mulai 2019. 2019, let's say Juli misalkan ya. Nah, by the end by July, the corona will have apa di sini misalkan will have spread ya. Oh, will have apa itu what is spread ya, menyebar ya. Ya, the corona will have spread for 2 years misalkan seperti itu. Jadi virus corona akan sudah menyebar selama 2 tahun di bulan Juli nanti. Ya, bulan Juli, sorry. In Desember nanti. So this is future perfect tense. So this is the summary of what we have learned. Past perfect tense, present perfect tense, and future perfect tense. Okay, so now we're gonna try. So before we start the exercises, do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita mulai exercise? Ya, oke, dalam menjawab exercise ini saya pengen semuanya terlibat dan siapa yang menjawab, I'm gonna give the score. Ya. Okay? Are any question?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Are you ready for exercises?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do that then. Yeah, the question. Here are questions. Question number 1. Oh, here is another example ya. Oke, ini contoh yang lain. In 2 years, I will have saved $2,000 ya. Dalam 2 tahun saya akan sudah bisa menabung $2.000. Mungkin dia lagi nabung berapa per hari, per bulan, per minggu maybe. So prediksi dia dalam 2 tahun aku akan sudah bisa menabung $2.000 or 2 juta. Okay, that is an example. In 2 years I will have saved 2,000, or in 2 years I will have completed my education in City Foundation. Okay, so here is the task, the exercise. Okay, number 1, please. Who will do number 1?
Present
Wait.
perfect, sir.
Siapa ini? Mana orangnya? Saya nggak bisa melihat ya. Coba.
Saya, Sir.
Imam, oke, Imam who? Imam Mustafa ya. Oke, Imam Mustafa, yes, please. Please read and then answer, okay?
Jawabannya present
No,
perfect,
please
sir.
read first. Kita
Oh.
belajar juga membaca ya. Kalian juga harus belajar membaca supaya terbiasa membaca. Jadi soalnya juga dibaca ya.
My sister has read that book at least 20 times. Jawabannya present perfect, sir.
Present perfect. Yes, very good. That is present perfect. Dari mana taunya that is present perfect?
Dari has-nya, sir.
Has. And then after has is verb
Had.
3. Yeah, okay, very good. That is Imam Mustafa. I will make a note, Imam Mustafa. Okay. Next question. Next question, yes, please.
Saya, sir.
Zuria, okay,
Saya,
Zuria.
sir.
Yes, please, Zuria.
Caleb will have finished all of his course before dinner. Jawabannya future perfect, sir.
Is that future perfect tense? Yes, that. But how could you tell that is future perfect tense?
Dia pakai will sama have terus verb 3, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, that is Zuria. Okay, the next question is, who will answer the next question? Oh, that question is not yet. Okay, number 3, question number 3. Who will answer question number 3?
Saya, sir.
Mukti. Yeah, okay, Mukti Salim. Okay, I make note Mukti Salim. Please.
Because of the cold temperatures, she had decided to stay indoors. Jawabannya past perfect, sir.
Past perfect tense. Why? How do you know it's a past perfect tense?
Pakai had sama verb 3, sir.
Okay, very good, Mukti Salim. Yeah, okay. Next question number 4. Who will answer number 4?
Mister.
Dita.
Zaini, sir. Zaini, sir. Dwi, sir.
Which of the
Dita
following?
Ramadhani ya.
Yes, sir. Jawabannya I
Read
have
first, please read first. Read.
which of the following sentences is written in the present perfect tense? The answer is C. I have finished all of my homework, sir.
Is it right? I have finished all my homework. Okay, is it good? Yeah. How can you tell that? Bagaimana caranya menjawabnya?
Menggunakan have dan finish dan verb.
Oke, menggunakan have dan verb 3. Okay, very good. That is Dita Ramadhani. Next question, number 5. Number 5. How would you change the following sentence so that it is written in the past perfect? Ya, jadi past perfect. Jadikan sentence ini jadi past perfect.
Saya, sir.
Who's that?
Fajar, sir.
Okay, Fajar Akbar. Ya, please Fajar.
How would you change the following sentence so that is written in the past perfect tense?
Okay.
Jim will have taught school for 15 years by 10. The answer is B, sir. James will have talked to head talk, sir.
Which the answer?
B, sir.
Is that B? Change will change. The perubahannya adalah will have taught menjadi had taught. Is it good? Okay, that is correct. Yeah, so the answer is B. Yang lain paham kan?
Paham, Sir.
Ya, yang berubah adalah will have taught dirubah menjadi had taught. Kalau dirubah menjadi did teach, salah. If you change to be will teach, it's also not correct. Yeah, so the correct answer is B. Okay, the next question. Nah,
Uni,
okay,
sir.
Adelia. Who's that? Adelia?
Zaini, sir.
Zaini. Okay, Zaini. Yeah, Zaini.
Future. I will have finished my test by the time the bell rings. Future perfect, sir.
Is it future perfect tense? Future perfect tense. How could you tell it's a future perfect tense?
Karena make will have sama verb is.
Okay, very good, Zaini. Next, number 7.
Me, sir.
Who's that? Adelia. Siapa tadi yang misu-misu tadi? Who's that?
Dita, Sir.
Oh, Dita. Dita Ramadhani. Okay, Dita. Okay.
She has lived in the same apartment all her life. The answer is present perfect tense, sir.
Present perfect tense. How could you tell it's a present perfect tense?
Use has and verb 3, sir.
Use has and verb 3. That is good. Okay, good. Next question, number 8. Adelia. Okay, Adelia. Yes, please, Adelia.
They have built a new office before moving out of the old office. Jawabannya past perfect, sir. Karena
Is it?
pakai had dan verb 3, sir.
Okay, had and verb 3. Are we having problem with the microphone or what? Okay, good. Adelia Destri. Yeah. Next question, number 9. Who will answer question number 9? Ah, here is the question.
Me, sir.
Saya, sir.
We.
Yes, sir.
We.
Yes, sir.
Who's that? Do we put 3?
Yes, sir.
Do we put 3? Okay, do we put 3?
We
Yes,
have
please.
researched the facts for the next presentation.
Hmm.
The answer is future perfect, sir.
Is that future perfect tense?
No, present perfect. No, future perfect, sir.
Is
Future
it
perfect.
future perfect tense? How could you tell it's a future perfect tense?
Karena
No,
keterangan waktunya di situ the next presentation, sir.
We have researched the fact for the next
For the next
presentation.
presentation.
Apakah next presentation itu waktunya the pointing time?
Yes,
No,
sir.
Ah, is that future perfect tense?
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, it's not present, not future
Saya, sir.
perfect tense.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jadi coba diulangi tadi Dwi Putri tadi ya. Dwi Putri coba di change your answer please. You can correct your sentence. Bisa saya perbaiki nggak jawabannya?
Present perfect, sir.
Present perfect. Ya, dari mana kamu tahu? How could you tell it's a present perfect tense?
Dari ada have and research dan menggunakan verb 3, sir.
Okay, that's good. Ya, jadi waktunya ini next presentation itu bukan waktunya, bukan timingnya. Tapi aku sudah melakukan riset nih, fakta-fakta yang akan saya lakukan untuk presentasi saya berikutnya. Kapan dia akan melakukannya? Ya, maybe tomorrow or maybe next day. Okay, thank you Dwi Putri. And then number 10. Who will answer number 10?
Saya, sir.
Uni, okay, Uni first.
sir.
Uni first. Okay, Uni, please, yours. It's your time, Uni.
The woman had given us good tips on
Good
where
tips.
to
Tips, ya.
tips on where to shop for bargains.
Bargains.
Past perfect, sir.
Is it past perfect? How could you tell it's a past perfect tense?
Because use had and verb 3, sir.
Okay, that's right. Because it's using had and verb 3. Very good. Yeah, okay, that is Uni. Uni who? Uni siapa tadi namanya lengkapnya?
Unitantia, sir.
Uni Tantia. Okay. Do you know what does it mean tips? Tahu nggak artinya kalau do you know what tips mean? Uang?
Cara.
Tips itu uang apa?
Uang tambahan, sir.
Ya, uang tambahan, ya, uang upah ya. Kemudian bargains. What does it mean bargains?
Tawar-menawar, sir.
Tawar-menawar, that's correct. To shop for bargains, yeah, bargain. We say bargains, not bargains, yeah, bargains. Yeah. Okay, next. Question number 11. Who will answer question number 11?
sir. Mutia, sir.
Mutia, okay, Mutia. Yes, please, Mutia.
We will have begun our tour of San Francisco by the time they arrive.
They right.
The answer is future perfect, sir.
Future perfect tense. How could you tell us a future perfect tense?
Because you will have an verb tree, sir.
Okay, that is right. Yeah, the correct pronunciation is cara bacanya yang benar adalah we will have begun our tour of San Francisco by the time they arrive. Arrive bacanya arrive, not arrive, but arrive. Sampai ya, ya. Okay, good. Next question.
Uni, sir.
Yuni, okay, Yuni.
The student had handed in their research paper. Past perfect, sir.
Past perfect. How could you tell is a past perfect tense?
Because use had and verb to.
Okay, it's using had and verb 3 ya. Artinya what does it mean handed? Handed itu artinya apa artinya handed? The student had handed in their research papers. Artinya handed in itu apa? Menyerahkan. Ya, I'd like to hand it my papers. Ya, menyerahkan ya artinya ya, submit ya. Okay, next question. It's a bit different. By next December, I blah 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 for this company for 5 years. Nah, this is more complicated now. Who will answer number 13?
Dita, sir.
Dita Ramadhani, yes, please, Dita. Yeah.
By next December, I will have worked for this company for 5 years, sir.
Is it right? Yes, by next December, I will have worked for this company for 5 years. What is the tenses, Dita?
Future perfect tense, sir.
Future perfect tense, that is correct. Yeah, that's right. Ya, kenapa itu itu kan next December ya. Pada bulan Desember nanti saya sudah akan bekerja di perusahaan ini selama 55 tahun. Oke, good. Saya harap yang lain juga paham ya. Number 14. 14. Who will answer number 14?
Me, sir.
Oke, Dwi Putri ya, Dwi Putri.
Before we got acquainted, I had seen Oksana only 2 times, sir.
Oke, how could you tell? Kenapa jawabannya I had seen?
Karena itu past perfect tense, sir.
Dari mana kamu tahunya itu harus past perfect tense?
Ada before, sir. Ada
Ada
2 kejadian.
before, ada apa lagi?
Ada 2 kejadian, sir.
Ada 2 kejadian, ada apa lagi? Ini kata kerja yang digunakan kejadian yang kedua, ya. Ini dia menggunakan apa di sini?
Verb to, sir.
Verb to past tense. Karena dia menggunakan past tense, pasti di sininya past perfect tense, ya kan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. That was siapa tadi?
Dwi Putri Andini,
Okay,
sir.
Dwi Putri Andini. Ya, thank you Putri. Okay, that's good. Where are the boys? Where are the boys? Ya, yang cowoknya yang ketinggalan ini. Number 15. We have 20 questions, 5 questions to go. Ada 5 questions lagi. Okay, number 15.
Me, sir.
Sir.
Fahrul. Oke, Fahrul Rozi atau siapa itu ya?
Fahrul aja, sir.
Oke, Fahrul.
By next month, our clothing store will have opened a new location, sir.
Yes or no? Ya, apa itu yang kenapa? How could you tell that is the answer? Kenapa jawabannya itu?
Sir, dia next month, sir. Berarti dia menggunakan future perfect tense, sir.
Okay, that is right. Ya, by next month. Bacanya month ya, not month ya. By next month, our clothing store will have opened a new location. Okay, very good. Yeah. That is Fahrul Rozi 16. Nah, 4 lagi nih. Next question is, who will answer this question?
Saya, sir.
Okay, who's that? Who's that? Siapa itu?
Sophie, sir.
Septia, Sophie, Sophie. Okay, Sophie. Sophie Septia ya namanya ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sophie, yes, please.
I will have studied very hard for tomorrow's test.
I will have.
Study very hard for tomorrow's test.
Is it good answer?
No, sir.
Saya, sir.
Not yet. Ya, coba siapa yang bisa memperbaiki? Belum. Ya, belum benar. Oh, si apa namanya Sophie mau memperbaiki, silakan. Sophie mau memperbaiki, silakan. Atau mau menunggu kawannya? Oke, kawannya berarti menunggu ya. Coba yang lain siapa nih?
Mukti, sir. Mukti, sir.
Ini, sir.
Lutfi, Lutfi. Siapa Lutfi tadi?
Mukti, sir.
Oh, Mukti, Mukti Salim. Oke, Mukti, yes, please, Mukti.
Ya Allah.
I have studied very hard for tomorrow test, sir.
I have studied very hard for tomorrow's test. Yeah, that is good. Kenapa? Why? Why do you choose I have studied?
Karena itu berhubungan dengan present perfect tense, sir.
Berhubungan dengan present perfect tense. Nah, itu juga menggambarkan kalau dia itu sudah belajar dari tadi, dia udah belajar dengan giat ya kan. Tesnya misalkan hari ini, aku udah belajar giat untuk, atau besok ya tesnya. Aku sudah belajar dengan giat untuk ujian besok. Ya. Okay, that's good, Mukti Salim. And then next question.
Me, sir.
Dwi Putri. Oke, Dwi Putri lagi. Yes, please.
By 2050, scientists will have found a cure for cancer, sir.
Oke, Desa, kenapa pilih itu? Why do you choose that?
Karena itu future perfect tense, sir.
Future perfect tense itu mengungkapkan sesuatu yang akan terjadi di masa yang akan datang ya. Oke, very good. Next, number 18. Ayo, who can answer this?
Me, sir.
Sir.
Who's that?
Zuria, sir.
Siapa?
Zuria, sir.
Oke, Zuria.
Gina had lived in New York for 10 years before she moved to California, sir.
Which is the answer?
Had lived, sir.
Had lived, ya betul. Kenapa pilih had lived?
Because berhubungan dengan past perfect tense, sir.
Dari mana itu past? How do you know that is a past perfect tense?
Before-nya, sir.
Before-nya. Ada lagi nggak? Selain before?
For 10 years-nya, sir.
For 10 years-nya. Ada lagi?
She move itu
She
pakai
move. Move-nya itu menggunakan past tense. Berarti kan kawannya past tense, berarti past perfect tense. Oke. Good. I think number 19 before the last. Sebelum terakhir. Yes.
Written, sir.
Siapa ini yang jawab nih?
Written, sir. Zuria,
Siapa yang
sir.
jawab?
Zuria, sir.
Zuria. The answer is
Written, sir.
written. I have just written a letter. Okay, Zuria. Okay, next. Number 20. Is it the last? Before the last. Ayo, siapa nih yang mau jawab? Who is answering?
Sir, Imam Mustafa.
Imam.
Sir.
Okay, Imam Mustafa. Okay, Imam Mustafa. Yes, Imam, please.
Mandy told us yesterday that she had visited England in 2000, sir.
Yang mana tuh? Which one?
Had visit.
Had
Visit.
had visited. Ya, don't forget. Had visited. Ya. Option A ya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mandy told us yesterday that she had visited England in 2000. Okay, very good, Imam. And then the last question. Who will answer the last question?
Me, sir.
Siapa itu?
Dwi, sir.
Dwi Putri. Okay, please, Dwi.
The meeting will start at 9 a.m. and will have finished at 11 a.m., sir.
Okay, and we'll have finished at 11 a.m. Okay, very good. Yes, those are all questions. Yeah, so this is only the pattern. Yeah. So I think we finished studying about all kind of perfect tenses. Future, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and then future perfect tense is all done, completed already. Yeah. So next is get ready or be ready for examination. Yeah, for examination in Schoology. Have a look there. I will publish it today, and then please do it. Okay. If you still have problem or question, feel free to ask me. You can drop your question in our discussion, or you can text me through WhatsApp. Okay. Do you have any question before we close? No. If there is no question, okay, very good then. I hope everybody understand. And we close our lesson today by reciting Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you very much for joining the class today, and have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.